Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off your repost notification settings on your account on TikTok, easy and quick. First click on your profile icon like this, click on these three lines here. Now click settings and privacy, and here as you see here you will find notifications. Click on it, and here just click like this and it will be turned off. And that's how to turn off your repost notification settings, easy and quick, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and I hope this video is helpful for you. And thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.